Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these crispy golden potato wedges. They are perfectly seasoned, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and absolutely delicious. So let's get into the video. First, get your potatoes. These are Irish potatoes. Peel them neatly with knife or potato peeler. Go gently, don't rush. Then when you're done peeling them, wash them, and I'll show you how to slice the potato so that you can get even shape or sizes. So divide your Irish potato into 2 equal parts. Then get the first half and divide it into 3 or 4 depending on how large your potato is, like this now is. So that, and do the same thing with the rest of the potato so that you get an even shape. When you're done, repeat the same process with the rest of the potatoes until you're done slicing them. This is one of the most easiest breakfasts, so simple. So when you're done, transfer this into a bowl and it's time to season. First, go in with your curry powder, your paprika. This seasoning shaker is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it, but I will list all the ingredients in the description below. Then add your black pepper, your turmeric powder, add some cumin, then add your salt and drizzle with a little oil of your choice. This is a very simple, quick breakfast that you can fix for yourself if you're rushing out, or if you don't have time or the energy to prepare anything. So when you're done, shake everything together until all the potatoes are coated with the ingredients. Then transfer this into a baking tray, arrange them neatly. Bake this on 220 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. Then I'm pairing this with eggs. I whisk my egg with salt, but feel free to add any spices you prefer. Then I fried my egg. Later I checked on my potatoes and they are beautifully golden and soft inside. The aroma with all the flavors are so sweet. So after that, I opened it to check to confirm, and look at how beautiful this is. Look, this is a very simple but delicious breakfast, lunch or snack, whatever you want to eat, wherever you want to eat it, or whatever time you want to have it. It's a very delicious snack breakfast. So like I said, I paired this with my eggs, and obviously this goes with ketchup, but you can eat this if you don't want. You can skip this if you don't want to use ketchup. Then I sprinkled some spring onions on my egg for extra freshness and flavor, and there you have it. Simple, delicious potato wedges. Thank you for watching. Bye.